Hey there. Auxi is an AI-powered PowerPoint add-in that will change the way you make slides. It's a complete game changer when you work on slides for hours and hours and hours. Let me tell you a bit about it. When you start Auxi, you'll be faced with a ribbon. Now you can choose to use the ribbon, or you could simply opt to use our shortcuts. Now the shortcuts are what really saves you time, because you get to customize them however you want. So if you have a specific shortcut that you want on a specific key, you can do that very easily. We offer shortcuts on most of our Auxi features, and you'll be able to customize them however you want. You can also open up the smart bar using CTRL SPACE, and that will show you all of the Auxi features in front of you. You can search for a specific feature you want, so if you want to, search for alignments, or maybe you want to distribute something, it will show you the results as soon as you search it. And the Auxi smart bar is also smart, as it's said. And if you have a specific selected asset or element and you want to know what Auxi can do with it, you'll simply open up the smart bar and it will show you the recommended uses. So for example, if I have an icon selected, it will give me the option to change icons.